I hope you enjoyed your summer. Didn't it feel good to actually have a normal summer where we can actually travel, we can actually have gatherings, picnics and parties and reunions, that we can all get together and enjoy each other. It felt good to be around normal people. But how many of you, be honest, going through that picnic line, chose the vegetables over the dessert? I got to be honest with you, I didn't. My cousin brings her shoe-fi pie to our family reunion every year, and I got to have a piece. If we go to a vacation, I want that extra scoop of ice cream. That's what just makes those moments memorable, that we can really enjoy them. But now we have a summer of all of those extra indulgences and stuff, and maybe some bad choices and stuff, and now we don't feel quite as healthy as what we want. We don't have the vibrance, we don't have the energy that we really want. Maybe our sleep cycle's off, maybe we're a little cloudy in our thinking, maybe we just kind of feel a little bit off. Those are all signs that basically your body's over-toxin. It has burdens and stuff from some of those bad choices. Wouldn't it be nice to actually have a reset button to kind of refresh all that? And I want to share with you what my family has been doing for the past decade that is the anti-serum to some of your bad habits or bad choices. It's called a detox program. On a regular basis, my wife and I, we go through a detox program where we reset. We get rid of some of those bad choices, almost like refreshing your body. Just like when you do in your house and stuff. Every so often you got to do some deep cleaning and you got to really refresh everything. This is kind of refreshes your body, does some deep cleaning so your body can actually regain the health that it needs. We have a program we've been using for many, many years. It's been tried and true, and we've had so many successful stories about people running to actually get healthy. They go through the 10-day detox program and they feel amazing on the other end, losing sometimes 10 pounds, regaining their sleep, having the energy and vitality that they really need to go throughout their day. That's what your body can do and have this reset button. So all you need to do is actually, on your next visit with the doctors, just speak to them about you're interested in a detox program, or click on the link below if this is on Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, just hit a reply and say I'm interested, and one of the doctors will reach out to you. So detoxes, a lot of people are concerned about how to do a detox properly. There are a lot of detoxes out there. Some are good, some are bad, but you need to do the ones that are really beneficial for your body. That's why we have 3 that we feature and stuff that we've used for a long time that's been really successful. And they're simple and easy to do. They're simple on your body and very healthy. And we also have a dietary program that you can actually guide you through of actually how to get back onto regular eating cycles and rhythms. It's going to make such a huge difference when you pull the toxins out of your body to replace with healthy nutrients. So the program is an amazing system. We will look forward to helping you get back onto the normal side of summer, helping your body actually have the anti-serum for some of those bad choices that you made, so your body can feel amazing and wonderful heading into my favorite time of year, which is fall time, and all the abundances that are actually associated with fall and our gardens and all the other stuff. So we want to make sure we enjoy those. So again, just reach out to us. Love to help you out. Speak to one of the doctors. And again, let's get your body to refresh, renew through a 10-day detox. You're not going to regret it.